owner. I am the yard owner. Why should you come and do these things without talking to me?
When they were taking you this job, didn't that consulted you?
I left on the Kalaboli. If I come in, I buy him correct. Coming up, I'll be cooking. Yeah, we have to how you know you. I live in Bundiam. Okay.
A Baracala Malay.
So guys, you can see this is as well a forex bureau, but it is also flying the public space. It was erected in an illegal encroachment area. You can just witness the demolition right there.
Hey, I'll get it.
Just put one in the front here. Hey. Kortian, non tak force jamu, task force. Operation Kadiro ta. Alle ko na ye koram na jibe. Alle ko so na jibe. Ha? Koram na ni koram na ni jibe, bu na ni. Yalla fe so na ala bi no jibe. Alle pe on ni. Obosi lo kan ko di. Ha? Yes. So we end up on the young. And we give you now against tomorrow correct abo young. Yes, young. Okay, do that now. Yalla bi young. It la ndi yafo bakawole boy
sha mai bana na wanala dige bingen ne kayet
So this is as well another forex bureau, a Yona. Or it's like it has some extensions as well beyond the alignment, There are some parts of the structure projected very close to the road corridor, so you can just see the pillars being provoked right there.
Okay, good. Jump from Gagala. You see, you ain't huh? It's in line, jump, so you know, Kundre, Samana from Abundant well, and you are in Kundu baby now. Okay, okay. Ya fineka. Ala bono place boba place. Mun kerga kalam no wax fi. Mun signé mu wako. Mun wax yow. Signé wako ne. Mu dama mo bari. Huh? Boys. Be a mudo quoi? Okay. Understand? I'll see the bula. Hello.
pretty much wala
Bini. Mujene ya? Yep. Wow, adal bi. Wako mu ñew. Finish no. Kortan. Yo, ndam tak fo sungula diamu. Aha. Ah. Webu diamu. Okay, ala. Assalamu alaikum. Abando, hey. Alles. Doko bedi. Good. Jenala ala garasol. Ala register. That's fine. Sere tiyo mas material no bicycle tiyo. Ani sina tamala kodi. So ani ne kolbe la ani ne kolbe surale nala park le jam. Because alla jena jam cross nyami. Ana aba garasol amaka sang garasol ndu garasol la ñin. Ani say mo sala. Ani surale park le anyhow aka traffic obstruct. Because slow ko majan. Slow biting. Jam mbede war kodi. So alla garasol mel mo obstruct la. Atla rad mel do la rad tinyala. Alla privé mel do la privé tinyala. So what no man ni ko na foye. Nim police le bijam. Say henceforth they'll be here monitoring everything here. You are in camera and better can everything. Ninna anytime the multi raja miranko. Thank you. Inshallah. Okay. Waa dëgg ñu la ko jox waaw loolu laa bëgg a xam kama la ko jox xam nga nit mu ñëw mu ñëw la place nguur te du so am na la jiwe jógee fii lii yëpp jëlee la ko fii mu si kaw yoon bi ah boo bokk si kër gi dégg nga su waaw soo commencé ko jëlee ko léegi nii ok salaamaaleykum ala ko fi nekk lii yëpp jëlee leen ko fii ah ala ko fi nekk man good la yaa ngi gis lii yëpp frame bi na mu jina waaw na mu jina completely ah ok def leen ko léegi dégg from here ah from here and here everything should be out so let's take this one out Bas mo dito. Vamos. Hello. Vamos. Gaaw nga paak bi sa bagage yi yaa ngi poli fu mu am poli bi jógee poli bi lii yëpp da war a faa nekk dégg nga lii yëpp ki la jëlee ko fii dégg nga ah baax na ok suba ma ñëw ma fekkale fii sa bagage yi dina ko jëlee fii si poli bi fii nii yëpp lu mu Sorry. Ba hold on. Okay. Guy filo bro jaga. So filo ani bigo be kata. Ni la fale wala okay wala ni filo. So anga akumbi yami ala ba kunde wala 5. Okay. Ba ngona sa. Okay. Na fa da na ma. Kita mana? Sidi wol be ni la ba ni si aka wabul ni mo ni na ba ma sama la bon la jana Apa ko ni aku dua. Hai, go. Nama dia apa nama? Apa alin ko ni? Aku ni kamu. Apa? Zero dan lah. So everything here should go out, right?
That's the alignment. This is the alignment, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you so much. All right.
Okay, that's fine.
That's okay. So, we got it.
A kick off. What people in here, son?
Yeah.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah.
It should be limit. So everything should go out.
Okay, can
including
you come and show me exactly where we got?
including this.
Should go, okay.
Yes. It's here. Hey, Jordan. Exactly. Good.
Okay.
This has to
So
go.
we will work on that. So when sorry. So when do you also meet with all this?
Yeah, because Monday we are coming back here.
No problem.
So I don't want to come back here Monday.
No.
Not it still remain the
You
same.
will not meet it there because this is my building. We will also remove it
Thank you.
from here. Thank you so much for your understanding.
It's not a problem.
No. I couldn't finish all the compound.
Kara wa afena. Alle mpira kundunya alle info nyinyi. Obe kuja wasilo ko yamwe. Ah? Okay, thank you. Aku menang kadi. Boleh. Cuma agak lanjut. Ayam bondi yamu. Wash loka. Kamu ni yamu. Ah, okay.
Hey, Alta.
So guys, we're still at Sanyang, still at Sanyang. This is the main highway that runs through the village. You can just see slide and slide encroachments here. Not many encroachments here actually. This is like a workshop. I'm not very sure if it is a tailoring workshop, but it appears to be one. So it's like the pillars are also projected very close to the road corridor, as you can see. So they are just being provoked right there.
Before you come and do this, nobody disagrees. Just notify people. Just make a mark.
You didn't say anything.
We can do this one by ourselves.
What kind of a country are we living in?
This is not.
You
are not in the war with anybody. This is not fine.
Fight it out.
If you talk to people, anybody here.
But I didn't drong adia kamunta jam you bang quality bang gambia mu bang quality bang for jungle.
This is not. Yes. Stop. Let me hear from you.
None of the kukela anta dia mula mole.
What?
Who do you consult?
You do
the yard owner. I am the yard owner. Why should you come and do these things without talking to me?
When they were taking you this job, didn't they consulted you? In fact, before you carry this, they should orient you how to carry this work. No, brother, you are not in the war with anybody. Please, if you come and talk to people. Ete kalibeta dogo. Kalibeta dogo nje pite kande ba. Kalibeta dogo nje pite kande ba. My brother, come from boy bang. Come from from bang. Ela boy bang. Hey, ela boy. You are not in the war with anybody. You are not in the war with anybody. I want you to take this into ela boy. You are not in the war with anybody. Before you come and disturb somebody. Hey, ela boy bang. Hey, I don't work professionally. You understand? Now let leave something there. Put this down. If the person is not around, we will do it. You understand? But you are not doing the work professionally. You understand? It's not professional at all. Because of you are not doing it. It's not. No, you know what you're doing. I don't know what I know. You don't know. You don't know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. My friend, I have the right to express myself. You are on destruction. This is not professional. Hey, Allah ni ba professional. Ama kara wo soto londi ta ko ni londo ba kodo. Ata kala teng. Londi today at all. Londo today. Mo le ni so waje ba ko to kane but how people do it. Mo le ni ba ko to kane but how people do it. Alma londi soro ni ko ko alba ke kane rek. Because no one can near them and they are destroyed. If you are notified about it, the person will bring it down. But you cannot just come and cause commotion. They are destroying people's properties. In fact, if it is development, but if you notify the person, they will do it peacefully. They will do it based on the national interest. Whatever doesn't affect you, you just do it criminally. When it affects you, you do it professionally. This is selfish interest. It's not national development. At all. Karambaro drone never firing the tap. They are the only one carrying this work. Otherwise, if you learn this, you are professional in doing this, you will not do it like this. You have to go by the developmental ethics. Otherwise, we will tell you how to do the work. I will tell you how to do the work. Developmental ethics, go and learn it. Karantanyin koto, Fambajita koto, Londi TJ, Sambolem. I am talking. I have to express my anger. This is development inside national interest. Everybody is interested, seeing every vehicles, pedestrians moving freely. But the way you are carrying the work is not ethical. If you come, you have to notify people. If you don't see the individual in that particular place, write something, paste it. Bring this wall down or bring this veranda down before this day or before this particular day. But if you just come, you just trying to demolish everything. What are you causing? You call this development?
Can I have what?
Because of your having tokens, you have to defend the government. You have been paid, you have to defend the government in doing it. But tomorrow, just say a few days, you were doing it to, let me talk to media. Let me talk to media. Few days you were doing it to CDS. What did he say? He too was doing it before you. Tomorrow somebody will do it to you as well. It's not professional. I am not here to fight if you want to fight me. But I have to express my anger. Yeah, yes, you can insult me. I am a citizen. Insult me, I will not insult you. I respect you as a brother.